young lady, as you can see, we have been able to normalize her situation at this moment. Yes. But according to the ethics of this establishment, we cannot be able to carry out further treatment on her without you making a deposit of 105,000 naira. That will be able to mobilize us to get the further equipment that we will need to get her to her normal condition.
It's fine, okay? I'll just go and make the payment now at the pay point, please. That wouldn't be a problem. Please, you can start the treatment.
It's alright. But once you're back, meet my cashier and she'll get back to me. I will fall back to work.
Okay, alright.
Thank you.
Nkechi, I'm going to make the payment. Stay here. Don't leave, Mama, okay? Come on.
Who be that? Who the knock? Who, babe? How are you? Hey. Oh. Who don't miss you? Waiting can't keep you since now. I don't wait for you since morning.
I'm sorry. I had to help my mother out in the shop. You know, there were a lot of customers and I couldn't leave her to attend to them.
Yeah. Don't worry, who do well. Who do well. You see, that is why it is good to have a good daughter like you. Yeah. We'll make her go inside now.
No. I brought this food for you. I have to run back to the shop before she notices I'm not around.
Hey! Who bring food for me?
Your favorite.
Hi! Who plenty? That is for morning and afternoon.
Yeah.
Hey! You see why I say you are the best. Yeah? Thank you so much. Eh?
Keep the flask. I'll come and take it in the evening.
Hey, but for go inside, go do small.
When I come back in the evening to take the flask, we'll go inside.
Will you go in the evening?
Okay. We'll go inside.
We'll go inside?
Yes, we'll go inside. I have to go.
Hey. They sweet me.
I love you. Bye.
Nami.
Bye.
Nami, who love you. Who pass. Nami, love you.
Sister, I thought you have a place to be for the royal bride conquest.
That's true. I don't know. Mama, I don't know what to do.
You can go. And maybe you can still meet up with the entry. Since you've made the payment already, the doctor will start the treatment on her. Don't worry, I'll look after her.
Are you sure?
Auntie, don't trust me again. I'm a big girl.
Okay, please just take care of Mama, okay? I'll come around and see the both of you. And please, if you need anything, do not hesitate to tell me.
Okay.
Alright then.
Bye. Be safe, okay?
Okay, you too. Take care.
Okay, bye-bye.
I hope you girls are getting comfortable with the environment.
Yes.
Thank you so much, handsome. It will be an honor to finally prepare the saga about his handsomeness. Hope it justifies how handsome the face should be. He's young, but such a fine, handsome man. You know, what's the most sufficient enough to make how handsome the face should be?
Well, I'm excited and I look forward to getting to know you guys more.
My name is Lillian. Please, do you know what the prince's favorite game is? Because I love games.
We shall find out. In the meantime, I have something to do. Just make yourself comfortable, and if you need anything, just don't hesitate to reach out, okay?
Thank you so much.
What is that for? Why were you so straightforward? Are you so desperate to win?
What do you expect from a desperate soul? Desperation is something that is common with them. Hey, hold it there, Juliet. We are all players here. So we play to win. Moreover, I owe none of you any explanation on how I choose to play my games.
My dear, if you want to play, play by the rules of the game. Because as you see, the prince is my 100 million naira, just as big brother Ninja.
Rules are for babies. I play to win and not to impress anybody. Excuse me. There she's right. No one is your friend here. We all are bound in the game of chess. Let the game begin.
Okay. Let's see how it goes.
You are not narrating. This one, Tolo.
Good afternoon.
Hey, don't mention.
Please, is this...
Don't worry. You follow for who people? Where? I gotta wait for.
Yes,
Don't worry. Don't reach. Don't reach.
Okay.
Now, yeah. Make I carry you go inside.
Okay, thank you. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Thank you.
It's fine.
Yes.
Who follow me?
Okay.
Who let us go?
Onyema, it's okay. I will take it from here. I will take it from here. Go back to your post.
Definitely.
Okay.
Left now. Let me.
No. It's fine. I'll carry my stuff.
Please, I'm here to serve you. Allow me to do my job.
Ma, I know you want to do your job, but please, I can carry my stuff.
Don't do this to me. I don't want to lose my job. Please, allow me to carry it.
Ma, no one says you're losing your job. Don't worry, when I go in, I'll tell him I was the one that insisted, okay? Please, let me carry it.
Stop calling me Ma. My name is Eunice. Let me...
Ma, no, it's fine. It's fine. That might be your name, but I'll keep calling you Ma. Because you're old enough to be my mother. And you are my mother. So, it's fine. I'll carry my stuff. Thank you.
Lillian, that girl looks like a rumble rouser.
Seems you're quick in knowing what people look like, but you don't really know much about yourself.
Excuse me? Are you trying to say that I don't know myself?
Please spare me with that look. Am I not saying the truth?
Hello, Nkechi. Yeah, please, can you give the phone to Mama? Yeah.
can't you take this thing outside? I don't like the smell.
Nkechi, please let me call you back, okay? If you don't like the smell, then you wait outside till it subsides.
Smoking like a man.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you?
My name is Chioma Ugwoji Ojukwu. I am one of the contestants. I'm from Imo State.
You're one of the contestants.
Yes, I'm so sorry for coming in by this time. I had some stuff that delayed me. I'm really sorry.
All right, someone would come put you through.
Thank you.
Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one?
No, I don't like it when you keep your face like this. What do you expect me to do?
Why I no go vex? Tell me. All the things who promised me since how many months up till now, no they do anyone. Yeah.
I know what I said and what I promised you. But remember I told you that it can only be when my mom travels now. I can't sleep over at your place when she's around. And you know I need to wake up by 4 a.m. to cook what we'll sell.
Yes, no, I know that one. But you see why I'm angry? As I did now, baby, Unesa, I like you. I can't love you. You know you give me this one. I know they happy now. I know they have you as I suppose. You know that kind of thing now. Na man I be you. Sometimes if I dey sleep for night, I go dey see something wey come strong for here now. At least we suppose dey play like Man U and Arsenal for bed. All those things will come dey vex me. Abeg now make okay ngwa make we go inside make we do small. I no go take your time abeg.
You promise you won't take time.
Hey, who take your time? Hey, I dey craze. If I put her, who go remove am? Baby.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
This is Wake. She's going to be your instructor. Yes. She will teach you the ways of royalty. I mean everything about royalty. How to talk, how to work, how to eat, everything. Listen and learn if you want to win this contest. And if you need anything, I mean anything at all, feel free to come to me. Hello, ladies, once again. I hope and I believe we are ready to have a smooth journey together in these few months that we have. But remember, if you want to be a great queen to the great royal family, there are rules you need to adhere to. Yes, there are rules you need to follow very strictly. Never to worry, I'm here to list out the rules. Number 1, standing. Number 2, sitting. Number 3, use your words constructively. Avoid slangs and profanities. Words like, I know some of you say, I want to go to toilet. No. Say lavatory. Yes. Instead of saying pardon, you say what? And instead of serviette, you say napkin. Number 4, let's talk about eating. Morning meals in royal homes start by 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. And lunchtime is 12 p.m. Dinner, evening meal is 6 p.m. Don't worry, as time goes on, we'll learn more and more. But let's go back to our first lesson for the day. Number 1, standing. You must have a proper standing posture. Yes. If you desire to be a queen in a royal great family, you must have a perfect posture etiquette. Yes. Now, everybody, stand.
King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi agwa nyabusoma. He desires for a good queen in our kingdom. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The
What's the noise for?
Just look at the way this idiot is seated. She's not supposed to sit like this.
No. You don't say that here. Have you forgotten number 3 rules? Avoid slangs and profanity of words. Anyway, as time goes on, I know it's difficult for you guys to learn fast, but you will learn.
be the lucky queen, the lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky.
Here,
Who will
ladies,
be the lucky queen?
you don't eat like you do in your homes. You must eat like a woman. Let me show you how to eat in a royal home. Your knife on the right hand, your fork on the left. Now, watch me. Can you see me? Now, begin.
Excuse me, Wakego. Are there no spoons? Because I can't use this fork and knife.
Yes. Just look at others and do the same.
I'm not used to this. Some of this food is too small.
Hey, can both of you stop? You're distracting me.
Bia, Lillian, or whatever they call you. If you make such statement again, I'll throw you out of this room. People are busy enjoying yourself when you know that I don't know how to use fork and knife.
Look, this is so unfair. I mean, this is not fair. Eh? Our portion of food was even very small. It was quite little. And as it stands like this, we might not eat again today, and probably tomorrow as well. Look, I can't take this. I'm going to look for what to eat. I really cannot sleep tonight without food.
Now, both of you listen. If you know you're going to find it difficult to cope in this competition, why don't you quit? At least to reduce the number for us. We're already too much.
Huh? Chioma, I will kill this girl.
No. Come and kill me. Kill me, Wachuku.
Hey, it's fine. Please. Amanda, ignore this rascal, please. Are you going with me?
I don't think I will go with you. You can go. I don't want to upset the queen. And I heard that she's a difficult woman. I don't want that trouble this night.
But if you're scared, I am not scared, okay? I'm going out there to get something to eat because I'm hungry and I want to eat.
If you go, if you see food, I will join you.
Look, we came here this morning and we ate nothing.
I don't know how to use this cutlery.
Okay, then it's fine. I'll go get something to eat.
You're going?
I'm going.
If you go, if you succeed.
You're not serious.
I will follow you, Choco.
Look at you. Okay, you can't use fork and knife, ordinary fork and knife. You can't use to eat.
Today.
You can't do anything.
I catch you.
You can't do anything. Forget it. Have I go?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Are you looking for something?
Yes, ma. Ma, please, I was wondering if you could help me out with some food. I'm really hungry. I can't lie to you, I'm not used to eating by 6 p.m. I'm not used to having my dinner by 6 p.m. and the food was quite little. Please, ma, if you can help me with food, I'll really appreciate it.
It's alright, I understand your situation. I faced the same challenge when I came new, so I understand.
Thank you, ma, thank you. Ma, I'm so hungry. I don't think I can survive this night. I'm starving. Please, ma.
It's alright. I'll get you something to eat.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much, ma.
Where did you get the food?
Hey, what is it?
Where did you get it?
Why do you ask? You want me to tell you so you can go and spoil things for me? Never. Look, go and wash your hand, let's eat.
It's even Gary and soup. So these people have such food here and they serve us that.
Go and wash your hand, please, let's eat.
Hungry, old, uneducated fools.
Did she just say something?
Did she say anything?
I think I heard something.
Oh, no. She wouldn't have the audacity to insult me because if she did, she will obviously repeat herself for me to hear. So, nothing.
I think you're right. Because if she actually said something, she could have repeated it.
Like, okay, please, can you wash your hand? Let's eat. I'm waiting for it. Do you want me to start?
Please, I'm coming.
Oh my God. Hurry, please.
I'm coming!
Fine girl. Why they look at me like that now? Eh? I know they like person they look me that kind eye.
Speak. You asked to see me.
Now what if you ask me now? Could I ask me the question? We see for this house now. Hmm? I don't look finish. Because he say now you be the only pincher who did this among all these contestants. Hmm? For where they dey na you can't be like fowl among cow and elephant. My man they tell me say they go to oppress you. You understand? So I won't help you make you win this contest, make you be good queen. But on one condition.
Okay. What do you want?
You see, you see. As I tell you, say, na me be the CSO for the palace, for everywhere. When I mean know the secret of everybody when they this house, even the prince. I don't deserve in papa before on the bonam. He dey hear me. So if there's anybody that knows his secret, na me. Na I make I won't tell you the secret where you go use who win the contest.
Okay.
Yeah. But you no go hard though. You do something for me. You just would understand what I talk. You follow me. You go my room. Me and you.
Oyema or whatever your name is called. Read my lips. If you ever call me out for this again, I report to His Majesty when he's around. Just look at you. What gave you the impression that I... No, now. What gave you the impression that I was so low to have anything to do with you? An ordinary gate man.
Who come here, ordinary gate man? Who they miss your luck? Who look me finish you? Who they call me ordinary gate man?
Don't you think I'm joking? I am not joking here. Stupid man.
Now, I like you.
You're very stupid. Rubbish.
We see person where I want we help him. We help our life. It is say we find reach my girlfriend. They there make other girls match you. It is say it get sense. Now because of this thing wey Vera they do me now. Now make me one misbehave.
Someone in the mask. Someone in the mask. Oh, you have been trapped in the cage.
My Oga will get angry if he sees you doing my job. Please, you are his visitor.
Mama, I already told you not to worry about it. I'll just tell him that I was the one that wanted to do it. And besides, you can't be the only one doing everything in this house. There are many other things to do. I can do this while you do the rest.
Thank you, my lady.
You're welcome. But Mama, please, don't call me that. My name is Chioma. If you don't feel comfortable calling me your daughter, then you can just call me by my name.
Thank you, Chama.
Thank you. You're welcome, Mama.
Papa, we dey dance in the play, we dey dance in the. Oh, so no easily.
I heard you are the chief security guard in this palace.
A point of correction. No, not just guard. I no be guard. Una me be the CSO. CSO. Udi chief security officer. Udi hear am like next time.
This is not how to talk to your future queen of this palace.
You see this one? Who make you queen? Wait. You just come this house now, your mind come there who tell you say you go be the queen. Eh? So with all the fine where our prince fine. Your mind they tell say now you go choose.
You better not insult me.
That's wicked. If I saw you, what you go do? Eh? What you go do? Do you know what it takes to crown me the chief security officer of this place? You know what I don't do? How many fight where I don't fight? War. Everything before His Royal Majesty won. We can organize the whole village. They can't give me a chief security officer. Would you say easy? You see, let me tell you. You see this house where you did. Respect. Any day, you talk to me anyhow again. I go. Jesus! My eyes! My eyes! Oh! My eyes! Oh! One I don't blind, and the other one remain. Hey! No. I don't. Oga body! Oga body! Wait a minute.
Just for the trouble. I'm sorry for slapping you. It's just that you talk carelessly. I'm sorry.
Over the trouble? Yes. Over the slap?
Yes.
5,000 for the slap? 5,000? Fine girl. I beg. If it slap me this side again, eh? Slap this guy this side. Give me another 5,000. I beg. God bless you. I beg. Who slap here now?
I won't slap you again.
Yeah.
You know what? You can be earning small money if you agree to do what I want you to do for me. I need you to help me so I can be able to survive in this palace.
You gonna give me money?
Sure.
Will not be slap again?
No, slap.
Hey, talk am now.
I don't tell you sorry for the one who I slap.
Hey, no problem. You feel ask more money for the one who slap. But you tell me what the thing be. I go do am.
Go do am, abi?
I say I go do am.
Don't worry.
Yeah, who is there? Come in, the door is open. Andy, what are you doing here?
What kind of question be that? Who concern you? Who CSOD like me? Would they ask me that kind of question?
Did you get it?
You see something? Who I carry for hand? Who see they ask me question? I better tell this thing. Who give me my money?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wait. I don't trust you. as a squeeze, make a check. Thank you. It's nice doing business with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nadi, thank you.
Really? Hey, wait. So you have started smuggling food inside this room, eh? Oh, no problem. I must surely tell on you.
Why can't you mind your business? Or do you prefer me calling you a snitch? Or do you want me to slap that your pretty little face?
Hey, don't you dare threaten me. Hold it there. Eh? Do you think I'm afraid of you or what? Don't worry. I will tell on you before you put me into trouble in this room with your gomandizing attitude.
You're looking for my trouble, Lillian. Lillian, mind your business.
Amanda, I must tell on you, foodie. Don't worry. You.
Lillian, mind your business.
Amanda, you cannot do anything.
Lillian,
if you try
mind your
something,
business.
I will deal with you. Me and you. I will finish you.
But
what if he hear me? You can't do anything. Don't worry.
Hello, ladies.
Hi, ma'am.
I believe and I hope you guys are keeping up with our daily lessons. Am I making you ladies happy?
Yes.
Are you enjoying the classes?
Yes.
Yes. One of the lessons I would like to show you today is how to carry your two sexy legs. You know, how to carry your leg as a royalty. Okay, I want you guys to have your eyes on me. Are your eyes on me?
Yes.
Perfect. So I would like to show you some of my tips in working. Alright, let me show you. Are you with me? Okay, so I would like to call on Sophia to show us some of the things she has been learning.
Oh.
Okay, I would like to call on another sexy lady. Can you straighten your yes. I would like to call on another beautiful lady. Hey, can you come on?
Okay. There we go.
Alright, I can see you ladies are learning. This is good. This is good. Oh no. Listen, can you just stand properly? I know you've not been keeping up, and I hope you keep up this time. Okay? Alright, ladies. As time goes on, we move to our next class. And I hope that I'm making you ladies happy.
So what are you curious about?
For days now, the only thing they teach us is royal etiquette. No one has ever said anything about the man we're going to spend the rest of our life with. What he likes, what he dislikes, what turns him on and what turns him off. These are many more. Please, I would like to know if I or any of the maidens are going to make a good wife for the king.
You sound like a smart person.
Yeah. Since Makego is not ready to do her job, may I employ for your assistance?
Well, I'll give you an answer to that, but for now I'm very busy.
All right.
Okay.
How are you feeling now, Mama?
Much better, my daughter.
I'm good.
Thank you so much for your quick response in saving my life.
Mama, it's fine, okay? All you just have to do is to get better, that's all.
I'm fine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please eat.
So, sister, how is the contest going so far?
That contest is filled with rules and regulations. Like, can you imagine? We eat dinner by 6 p.m. As if that wasn't enough. The food they give us is so little, like it's really tiny. And that's the meal you carry till 8 a.m. the next day.
What sort of punishment is that one now?
No.
My dear, you know we are used to eating after 6 p.m. And that is why it's affecting you. We are used to it.
But Mama, I heard that is not good though.
That's
Eating that late, I heard it's not good.
That's what I heard too.
I'll try and adapt. It's just for the meantime. Mama, please eat. Nkechi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Taking care of Mama.
I can see that.
Someone in the mask. Someone in the mask.
Where do you think you're coming from that you have to miss this afternoon class?
Sorry, Ma. In as much as I respect you, you have no right to ask me such questions, Mrs. Makigo.
Oh, I see. You must be a stubborn student. But I know how to deal with stubborn souls like yours.
Excuse me, Ma.
Wow. Wow. What an impudence.
You have been trapped in the kiss. Yeah.
Am I the one you're laughing at?
How dare you? Is something wrong with you? Eh? Seems like you don't know who I am.
Did you just hit me?
And I will do that. I will do that again.
It's okay! It's okay!
How dare you? How dare you embarrass the royal family? What do you think this is? Huh? A place where you can do whatever you like?
I'm sorry, sir. It was Stella here that was telling me how they used to smuggle in food to their rooms every night.
Oh, are you trying to say they've been stealing from the kitchen?
It's just a plate of food, sir. And it's Onyema here that used to bring it for them.
I didn't steal anything. I only gave Onyema money to get me food outside because I'm not used to eating dinner by 6 p.m. Believe me, I did not steal anything.
Oh, I see. You have been busy. Is that true?
Oga, no be true. the truth be say, they know they steal. They know they enter kitchen. Who go carry food. Una money they give me, make I go buy food. Okay, na be the truth. Okay, you see these girls, eh? Who they like food pass me, oh? Eh? Okay, no verse, I beg.
All right, everybody leave.
Eh?
Everybody.
Who get out?
Including you.
No problem.
Someone in the mask.
Who they go now?
Someone in the mask.
What is going on here? Eh? What is going on here? Do you want to bring down this house? What audacity? How dare you, a common hazard of the music I'm enjoying? Are you tired of living?
What do you expect from her? What do you expect from a barren woman like her? Envy will not allow her to see things the way we do.
Ha! No wonder they named her Uni.
Hey, stop! Enough! Can you both just stop it? You have no right to mock and insult her. Look, I know what she did was wrong, okay? She was wrong, but you guys have no right to mock and insult her. She's old enough to be our mother.
God forbid! This old witch can never be my mother.
Don't you ever tell me what to do again. We are here for this. And you play game to win while I play mine. But you telling me what to do is one thing I will never take from you. I will never take it from you. From a slut like you, I will never take it.
I'll let this slide. But don't you ever try this next time.
And if I do, what will you do? Slut! And I will say it over and over again. Wait. You want to tell me? Oh my God.
I can see
it. Can you imagine?
To stay forever.
Hey, seriously?
She's a queen.
I'm just thinking of you.
She's a queen.
I don't want to be violent.
In Becky. She's a queen. No doubt at all. She's a queen.
Chioma, thank you for defending me. But the sound of the music was so loud. My Oga wouldn't have been happy if you have come back to say this.
No, you're right. You're absolutely right. But next time, instead of just turning off the music the way that you did, you could have just asked them to reduce it. Or better still, ask them to just turn it off.
But you are one of them. Why did you join them?
I joined them because I love dancing. That's why. Do you mind if I smoke?
No, we don't smoke here.
Oh.
Besides, cigarette is not good for your health.
Okay, fine. I'll stop smoking. Because you said so. Fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you going anywhere?
A call from village. Mama go call. Nkechi nwanne m go call too. Every time I'm money. They say na for NNPC I dey work. Una this side where they like this now I dey work oh. Yeah? Anyway, make I load this card first. Make I call them. If na money. What? What happen? Why they shout my name from inside? All the neighbors when they this area go sabi my name. Which day you come this and say, well, you don't already know my name? They shout am. Yeah?
Onyema, why are you so imprudent? Do I need to warn you to stop gambling? Or don't you know that this gambling thing has made you so in of herb and yet you don't want to cram from it?
Aba become Nick. Madam. No vessel. Where you go school? For all the places where you go school. And all the book where you don't read. Verse. No verse. You see me for your class? Wait. I follow you go school? Why be say you no fit talk to me in a gentleman language? The way I will understand.
How would you fathom what I'm emphasizing when all you ruminate is gambling? Tell me, Onyema, when was the last time you read a book? But don't you know that when you stop learning, you start dying? What did you say?
Madam, I don't know. Wetin I talk be say, you tell me what you want tell me now. Abi, if you don't want to talk, we'll go inside.
Hey, take this money. Take this money.
Let me face my family problem.
Take this money, go buy me a pack of decanter aquatic.
Oh, which one be Kanta and Aqua again? Wetin bring Aqua on this matter? Abi, you no get Aqua inside.
Onyema, take this money, go buy me a pack of bottled water.
Una, this one dey vex me. So, na because of bottled water. Now they give me all this grammar. Fly go, you will come back. Why not?
Take, please.
You see, I tell you. You not look because I did this gate too. Next time, if you want to talk to me, you talk to me with respect. Because of Oga make me they go this one no. Next time, if you do like this, I no go.
Please hurry.
I beg you to talk to the name of the bottled water.
Any kind of bottled water.
Any kind of bottled water.
Yes.
Make I talk for my brain so I no go forget. Any kind of ububo.
Can I help you? You came to see me for what?
You're so handsome.
So what do you want?
I want to have you.
You want to have me?
Yeah.
Have me as how?
I want to have a taste of you. So you can help me pass.
You want to have a taste of me so I can help you pass?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to marry my brother?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So what makes you think you can marry my brother?
Because I'm good.
You're good where? Okay, you're good in bed.
And I'm also a great cook.
You're also a great cook. I see. Okay, unfortunately, we can't, or you can't have a taste of me now.
Why?
Because you have to come back by 11 p.m.
Oh.
And when you come, I'm going to give you a code name. Your code name is Guardian of Hope. So when you come by 11 p.m., you say Guardian of Hope. And I'll open the door for you.
Well, now would be great.
Now would be great.
Yeah.
Okay, you want it now? You can go.
I'll come back later.
By 11 p.m.
Sure, 11 will be here. Or even before 11, 10:30. See you.
Who will be the chosen one? Who will be the lucky winner? Who will be the chosen one? Who will be the lucky winner? You look beauty everywhere. There is no doubt.
Madam Grandma.
Your papa boy.
What's going to happen now? We will not be here. I drop my phone now. As I keep the card. I carry my phone, put on top. Who carry the money? I walk out. Hey! This thing cannot happen. It cannot happen. Okay. This girl. She say she feel use big grammar. Who thief my card? Una lie. In fact, aga m etriti otu anyị si etriti ndị oshi na-aba. M ga-agwa na m nwa aba ngwa ọwụkwa Abakaliki. In fact, iwe who give me my recharge card?
Excuse me, I'll call you back.
Who give me my recharge card now?
What impudence! What audacity for you to confront me with such a thing?
Hey, madam, let me tell you now. And may we walk. And the quick verse. If you know my recharge card, where I keep my phone for that bench before You send me message. Ma go buy you water. I come back. I see my phone. I don't go see my recharge card.
Juliet!
What's happening?
That was rude. You shouldn't have slapped him.
Now I did. What will you do about it?
Ask that again, and I'll remove your front teeth. Eh? Do you want to disfigure him?
In your 10th life, you will dare.
My God. You're lucky. You're lucky that he's not my brother. If not, you would have regretted ever laying your filthy, dirty hands on him.
You can only pep talk. You and I know that you are half-witted to do anything.
Look at this slug.
Get out.
Come here. If you... Say this idiot.
Who God go judge you?
It's okay.
Who for this slap?
It's okay, Mr.
Don't worry.
It's fine.
You go send me message again.
But why did she have to slap you, even when she's the one that stole the recharge card? Is it because she sees you as an ordinary gate man?
Who don't see him? That is... I not say na untiti.
Intimidation.
Oh, thank you. Now what she carry come? Yeah? Me, I dey sure say na she collect that card. Don't worry.
You see why I've been telling you to quit this job and get something for yourself. Why would you be serving your fellow man?
Babe, if I quit this job, I won't take stand. Okay, you know say if I quit, I need to rent house. Buy
furniture,
property. I go need money to start up business. So tell me how I want to take do am.
Don't you have savings?
Hey, who say?
Savings.
That one. With the small service where they get. Not be an everyday family problem from village. Oh yeah, ma bring money. Bring money. Oh yeah, ma you bring money. Oh yeah, ma. I won't take. We save money again.
Onyema.
Who you?
Oga is calling you.
Eh?
Your Oga is calling
you. He there up, Abi there now. The slap. Who they pay me? Who touch him? Touch him. Oh yeah. Wait. If I go, who come out? We go inside. We go massage him. I beg. You know say the slap go need massage.
Mama.
You call me mother, yet you refuse to take my advice. Why?
Is it because of this?
Yes. Why does such a beautiful girl like you smoke?
I learned it when I was in the UK, Liverpool, UK. Shortly after my father's untimely death, I had to drop out of school to take care of my mom and my siblings. But if you want me to stop, I can stop.
Yes, I want you to stop. Smoking is not just bad to your health, but it makes you look like a lost soul. And we don't smoke in this house. Please, try and stop it. And save yourself from impending damages awaiting.
Alright, Mama. I'll stop it only if you tell me to stop it. Like, right here and now.
Yes, stop it.
Okay. Done.
So, tell me, what about your mother? Is she still alive?
My mom is very much alive. And if you're asking to know if they are aware that I smoke, the answer is no. No one knows I smoke. They were too busy chasing their businesses and focusing on their important endorsements that they forgot to look out for us. You know, every day I crave a mother's affection.
It's alright. I don't want to know what really caused all this. But you have to look out for yourself. Okay?
Please don't stop.
Trisha, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
No, don't stop, please. Don't just stop.
See, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. But the fear of what you girls will say. So please, just come.
Believe me. But you were the first to go and grace Boniface's bed.
Are we going to be discussing that now? Or should we get down to this?
Someone in the mask. Someone in the mask.
Shoma, Mama,
What are you doing?
Um, I'm so sorry. You were enjoying the game, so I just didn't want to disturb you. That's why I came here to do it myself.
But there's no soup in the house. What are you going to do with the gari?
Oh, I already made some. Yes, I cooked. I found some things I needed in the cupboard and in the fridge, so I decided to make the soup.
Really? Wow.
Let me just dish it out so we can go and eat. I'm done with. Sorry.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
But, Choma, who taught you how to cook?
I grew up with my grandmother. So while I was there, I learned how to cook.
Wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Come here.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Wow.
Let me just dish it out.
She left the plate here after eating. No. It's my job. Allow me to do it.
Mama, please. Wow. Thank you, Mama. Okay, sit, let's eat. I said let's eat.
No. Marga will not be happy with me if he sees me eating with you here. No. My food is in the kitchen now.
Mama, I've said this before and I am going to say it again. You don't have to be scared about anyone or anything when you're with me. Look, if Boniface doesn't like the way I treat you, he should tell me. He should come to me and tell me, and I will gladly leave the house for him. Okay? I mean, this is the way I am, and I am not ready to change for anybody. So please, sit down and eat.
Eunice, why did you remove my drink when I'm not done drinking?
I was the one that removed it.
I mean, you answer lady and you wait till you're dirty as a pig. That's why.
I don't understand. Did you just call me a pig?
Of course. Only a pig will leave the dining table the way you left it.
Okay. You called me a pig when you're the one sitting down and eating with a pig. So between the both of us now, who is the pig there? Eh? Answer me.
Lillian, how dare you? Are you stupid? Look, don't you ever talk to her like that again.
Chioma, did you just slap me? You just made the worst mistake of your life. Ow! Jesus Christ!
Get out! Silly.
I'm coming back for you, Chioma.
Mama, she lacks manners. Didn't you see the way she talked to you?
It's okay. That's it.
Have you come to give me a query? or send me out of the house.
What you did was wrong. Aren't you aware?
Look, I know what I did was wrong. But I promise you I am going to do it again. Should she or any other person insult Eunice like that? Look, I know Eunice is our house help and our cook, but she is old enough to be our mother, and we should accord her that respect.
So you did all of that because of Eunice?
Yes, I did. I mean, I was the one talking to her. I had the issues with her, but yet she turned to Eunice and called her a pig. That was when I lost it.
Put away the cigarette.
Sorry?
Turn it off and put it away. Let me have the entire box.
Sorry?
The entire box of the cigarette. Let me have it.
That bitch had the guts to slap me. I swear, I must kill her before I leave this contest. She must ever regret coming to this compound.
I have always hated her guts. And for what she did to you, she must pay.
Just look at what she did to my sweet face. Just look at.
It's okay. It's alright, baby. Just come here. It's okay. It's fine. We are going to avenge her together. For what she did to you, she must regret it, okay?
I swear.
I'm sorry. I came to apologize for hitting you earlier. And please, when next you guys want to do this, lock the door, okay? Because if it was Boniface that walked in here on you girls, he wouldn't be happy about it. Please.
What in the name of a demon is this girl?
I don't know. What are we going to do?
Anyways, let's forget about her.
Are you sure?
Let's continue.
Are you sure she's not going to open her mouth?
That's her business. Let's continue, please. Come on.
Okay. Mama, honestly, I'm so sorry for my outburst earlier. I really didn't mean to react that way. But then again, I can't just sit back and watch her insult you. I'm so sorry, Mama. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Choma. You did the right thing. It's something my son would have done if he is to be here.
You have a son?
Yes, I do. 2, actually.
How? Where are they? How come they're allowing you to stay here? They're supposed to take care of you.
My dear, not everyone are privileged to be born in a rich home. My sons are struggling, and I don't want to inconvenience them more than life has already offered them.
Well, don't worry, Mama. If I win the contest, you will no longer be a house help but my mother. But if I don't win, then I'll have to ask Boniface to let me take you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mama. You're welcome, Mama.
Eunice, please help me boil hot water and bring it to my room.
Hey, come here. Can't you go into the kitchen and boil it yourself? Why is it always Eunice this, Eunice that? Can't you guys just let her leave?
This is why she's being paid. So let her work and earn her wages. I'm waiting.
It's okay. I need to earn my money. Sorry.
Mama, I apologized to Lillian earlier. I just wanted to let you know.
You did the right thing. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You will all be showing your feminine ability. Hey. Which means you all will enter the kitchen and cook. As we all know, the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Excuse me. Please, I want to get something straight. Do you expect us? Sorry, I rephrase. Do you expect me to go into the kitchen and cook?
Oh, yes. Remember, you're not just cooking for anyone, but your husband.
If I'm to cook for my husband, the prince, of what use are the servants? They are paid to cook.
To cook?
Clean the palace, do the laundries. I mean, everyone is not meant to suffer in life.
You don't expect your servant to cook for your husband all the time, unless you want him to be poisoned or probably snatched. The task for today is to cook, and that is final. And at the end of the day, you all will present what you cooked for Mr. Boniface to taste and rate it. Are we good?
But why Mr. Boniface?
You're serious about his cooking? I mean, there's a cook here. I don't know how to cook.
Was well cooked, and then I started mixing. Add palm oil to a pot, fry your onions, and then add your egusi paste. Fry it well till it is dry. Next, pour in your proteins, blended crayfish, pepper, and ugbe, and enough water according to how you want your soup's consistency to be. Cook for 5 minutes and add your seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Cook again for a bit and then add your ugu leaves. But we're not done here. Now add your secret ingredient, which is your scent leaves. Mix it well, and guys, I am not capping. Try this.
I think this is all her soup.
Lucky queen, lucky, who will be the chosen one?
Me. So, please can you remove them? Must I remove them? All right. So, here's the pot.
Pour the water and put it on the fire. Come closer, come closer. Pepper, onions. No? So. Wash your hand first. Wash your hands. I don't know how to do these things. Be careful with the top, shake it. No, put it. Yes. I'll put it up in the fridge. And here is it. Well, I don't smoke. You use it and put on the gas. Ha! Can't do that. Try first. Try it. Put the water on the gas. Wash them, then slice them.
No, they're supposed to be a blender.
No, you're supposed to use your hand to slice it.
How?
Here is the bowl.
In our kingdom, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. You look beauty everywhere, there is no doubt to my dear. Your mama born you well, baby. Mana weri fane wepunano tupu eliano. Baby go sit no wegi, show wetin you got. Go sit bezi wegi, time for kissy kwado. Oh, this is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win.
You see what I do? Add what? Go pick the vegetables. Yes, this one. Who said it's bad? Please cut it. You don't wash it.
What? Oh, shit. Oh. Who made this? Oh, who made this? Salt! You want to kill the prince? Huh? Is this how you cook? How many bags of salt did you put? 3? 4?
No. I'm sorry.
Where's yours?
This one.
No salt. You don't cook with salt in your village. No taste. You would have asked her to give you salt or something. Jesus Christ. Where's yours?
This one.
This one? From Oxford University? California. Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
California. Take your serviette, sorry.
How to cook? California? Huh? Is this what they asked you to make for the prince? You're not a serious person. Please, where's yours?
This is mine.
Okay. Well, this is coleslaw. Vegetables. But there's no cream. Okay, I'll just taste it. Okay. It's not bad.
Thank you.
It's actually nice. Nice.
Thank you.
Please, where's yours?
Yes.
What's this? Pasta. Okay. It's nice.
Thank you.
You made this? And you made this?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
And you made this?
Yes.
You made this? And you're proud of it?
Very, very.
Very, very. You're proud of yours? Hmm?
Yeah, I tried.
What do you have to say about yours?
I'll do it again.
You'll do it again? Yeah. Alright guys, to cut a long story short, yeah, this is serious business. Are you guys joking? What do you think this is? This is a competition, for crying out loud. You need to cook, you need to be at your best, so that when the prince tastes your food, he can pick you for a wife. Don't you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Why are you looking at me like that? Are you expecting me to eat your food again? Never! Please, can you just pack these things?
Okay, sir.
Good night, all of you.
We can cook something else.
The chosen one, the lucky, who will be the lucky winner? The lucky, who will be the chosen one?
Dare you touch me?
I want you to teach me how to dance. Can you do that?
Look, Boniface, if you're looking for who to sleep with, because obviously that's what you're trying to do, you can go pick one of your whores. One of those whores willing to grace your bed for a favor. And not me.
Chuma, why are you so stubborn? Why not take my offer? An opportunity of a lifetime. I'm trying to make you happy for the rest of your life. Don't you understand? My brother is going to get married to you, and you're going to become the queen of the kingdom. Wouldn't you like that? Don't you want to win?
Boniface, I want to win. Okay? I will take my chances. But sleeping with you wasn't what I signed up for. So please, can you leave my sight?
Chuma, I own this contest. I say who wins and who loses.
Boniface, get out. Boniface. Excuse me.
We go carry you. We go London. Baby.
Oyema, take this money, go and buy me a recharge card.
I'll go and buy it.
No, baby. Let me go and buy it.
And who is she? Because I've not seen this face in this compound before.
Unoves. Una my friend. Let me go and buy.
Don't worry. Sit down here at your duty post while I go and buy it. I don't want anything stolen from you before I return.
Are you indirectly calling me a thief or what?
I never said anything like that, but since things mysteriously miss, anytime any of you send him on an errand, does it not require for him to be more careful?
Excuse me. Mind the way you talk to me, because next time I will do more than this.
Hey. Oh, baby.
You.
Oh, baby.
Hey, go and get me the recharge card, Oyema. Pick the money.
You see what they cost?
Pick this.
You see what they cost? Baby, don't go. You see what you cost? Baby,
can you imagine? Don't waste my time.
Your job following me like this.
Oh, baby. Oh, please, nah. Oh, now you call this, you know. It should be And they tell you, say, wait. Baby, cool down. No agree. I say, make I go buy the recharge card myself. Baby, you refuse. Who will make that girl call slap you now? Baby, because no. Oh.
Okay, so I should let it go. I should let it go when you allow that loose cheap girl slap me. And you, my man, you could not do anything.
Hey! Baby, you say me, I not do anything. Me, baby, if I there make you see, waiting I do the idiot. Hey, but baby, check am now. You know say month don the end though. If I slap am back, who go lose the job, who lose the salary, and you know say na only 2 days he remain make the month end. We check am now.
Because is that what you are saying? I'm going.
Baby, because no. Baby, nkem. Oh, my cham. Oh, baby. You know say I love you because no. I promise you. Just cool down. Wait for me. It's just after the contest. I collect my salary for this month. I got resign, baby. Trust me.
Is that a promise or you're just saying it?
Original promise. No be fake. Baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You know say this is why I like you.
Baby. You know I love you. And I believe you can make it outside this job.
Baby. In fact, you see, you just stay with me. Once I collect my salary, me and you, we go start life again. I no go dey that house again. Baby, you don't forgive me. Oh yeah, I beg, follow me. We make we go buy the recharge card for the sake of my salary.
Let's go. I'll follow you anywhere.
Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Come on, put a smile on your face. Come on, smile, smile, smile. Smile, smile. Oh, okay. So I've got good news for you. My brother, the Prince Leo, he called me today and he said he's coming back in 2 days' time. Aren't you excited? No, you don't sound excited enough. Are you not excited? Come on.
Yeah, we are excited.
Great. So, I'm saying this to all of you because I want you to know if any of you have an unfinished card to play, this is your opportunity to do so. You know exactly what I mean. Yes. I'll reiterate myself. If you have an unfinished card to play, all right then, in the absence of none, I'll suggest we go back to our normal lives. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
Good. Enjoy the rest of your day.
What is your plan? Do you think you stand a chance of winning it?
Mama, honestly, I don't know. But even if I don't end up winning, at least I met you. And I'm glad I met you because you stopped me from smoking. You're such a very good influence to me. Thank you so much, Mama.
You're welcome. Let me go and make a breakfast for us.
Mama, come. I'll help you. Oh, really? Thank you. You're welcome.
Hi, Chama.
Hi.
Can I speak to you in private?
Go ahead.
Whatever you want to say, you can say it here.
You don't expect me to talk to you in front of my chef or my help. That's totally inappropriate.
It's okay, Choma. It's okay. Please, don't forget who you are. Be a good girl that you've always been, okay?
Okay, Mama. We are alone now. What is it?
Chioma. So I'm aware you have been friends with my chef, helping her with house chores that she's been paid to do. Instead of focusing on winning the contest, doing the right things to ensure that you win the contest. Don't you want to win?
Boniface.
Yes, please.
I want to win, and I want to win fairly.
I like your guts. But trust me, there's no fairness in the world. You can take that to the bank. Even the scripture says that violence must take it by force.
You see, this mindset is the reason so many people do so much wrong to win. I mean, what happened to doing things fairly? That is what I plan on doing. And besides, I like Eunice. She's a very nice lady and I really like her. So please, can I ask you for a favor?
A favor? What could that be?
If maybe I don't win the contest, can you please allow me to take Eunice out of this place? I mean, she deserves a better life. She needs something better. Eunice is always so stressed out in this place. I need to give her a better life, please.
So, you're boldly telling me that you want to take my house help away from me because you feel she's not being treated right.
Boniface, you know you can get someone else. You can get a better chef, a better house help, anybody.
Okay. What makes you think I want to do that for you? I mean, you just said you know I can get. Is that the reason why you think I would want to let you take her away from me? Is that the only reason, or you have other reasons?
She needs rest.
Oh, I see. Okay, I'll make you an offer.
Okay.
I like you. You're so beautiful. And because I like you, I want you to come to my room tonight. Come and sleep with me. And I'm not just going to give you Eunice to take home with you if you do not win the contest. I'm also going to ensure that my brother, the prince, gets married to you. How about that? Am I not nice?
You know, you can keep trying from now till eternity. But that will never happen. Okay?
Why? It's not like you're a saint. You're not a saint. Come on, you're not a virgin. Chioma, you're wild. You smoke. You drink alcohol. Look at you. Come on. I said I'm going to give you a lot of money if you sleep with me. Why don't you consider that?
Boniface, my appearance has nothing to do with my personality and integrity.
Oh, come on. It has everything to do with it. Like I said, you're not a virgin. And you're here with me. So why not sleep with me and get a lot of money? And you stand a chance to become the wife of the prince. I can make all of that happen for you. Don't be a clown. Come on, take the offer.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Mr. Boniface, but this will never work.
Choma, you're out of the contest. I'm in charge here. We never met.
Stella, what's the meaning of this?
See, Choma or whatever you call yourself, I am going to warn you just once. Stay away from my man Boniface.
What do you mean, stay away from my man Boniface? And you even included it as your man?
Yes, because he is my man. See, I am not interested in all this thing and Prince Leo that you people are waiting for. Boniface is my man. He's the one I love and want. So take your sliming self out of his way because I can see you meandering around with him. See, let me warn you. I am not Lillian, so you cannot have your way with me. I will not warn you again.
Look, calm down, okay? Weirdo. I am so sorry you feel threatened by my closeness with your so-called man, Boniface. But can you just please put a leash on your dog? God, is it that you don't even know how to satisfy a man in bed? Are you that slow? Look, I understand this can be really bad, okay? And if you can't satisfy your so-called man in bed, I mean, you can go to YouTube, learn it, okay? It's not that far-fetched. You can type it in, learn it, because he's really on my neck, okay?
Wait, are you trying to mock me? No, like you're
Don't. Look, don't try that next time, okay? I have severe anger issues, and I'm only just this calm because of Eunice. But if you try that next time, what I did to Lillian will be nothing compared to what I'll do to you. Okay? So I think you should just find something doing. Hop to YouTube now before he escapes from his cage.
What I did to Lillian? You think I'm afraid of you? If I deal with you, no, if I touch you, if I touch you, okay, I won't warn you a second time.
King desire for a bride to hold. King desire for a bride to hold.
What? Where are you hurrying up to?
Who be that? Where will they shout my name like this? So what happened?
Open this gate, Joe. Somebody will be calling you and you won't answer. Open this gate, please.
Why I go open the gate?
I said open this gate and you're there talking rubbish.
Oh, madam. Oh, my Oga has never instructed me to open the gate. So, I know they open.
Oga said open this gate. I want to go out.
Oh, madam, I know they open. Open. I know they open. See, let me tell you, if you like, make we dey here, we shout from now to tomorrow. I am not going to open. You see, if you know what is good for you, you carry yourself. As you carry yourself, you come out. Go back.
My friend, open this gate. Let me get out.
Oh, yeah, they there now. Me, I dey busy. I dey book game.
Onyema.
Onyema. For a bride to hold. King desire for a bride to hold. Where is he?
I'll deal with you. You will see what I'll do to you.
In our kingdom, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen?
Oh no. My son and my queen will be returning home tomorrow. And I want Ichie Namdi and you to be present in the palace to welcome them.
Igwe, that is okay. I will inform Ichie Namdi directly at DG, right?
Okay.
I will go to his house and inform him so that he will be aware of this ceremony.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I cannot wait to receive them.
Look forward to their arrival. Yeah?
I've really missed them.
Let them turn you into an old bachelor.
Excuse me. Could you please bring down your legs?
Why California? Take your time. Who is that? What is wrong with you?
Hi, ladies.
Hi,
You guys doing okay? Yes. So, I'll be going to the airport to pick up the prince.
Wow.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. Eunice has to come with me because she has to stop over at the market to, buy up some things for the occasion. However, make yourself comfortable and be at your best behavior because I have my eyes on you. So see you later. All right.
It's almost evening and they're not yet back. What is going on?
I believe they've been sacked by Boniface. So the contest is now between us.
How? How will the royal house do something like that? Or didn't they know that we're going to eat today, even tomorrow? Are they expecting us to go into the kitchen and prepare something for ourselves?
That is the idea. And it's too bad for those who doesn't know how to cook. Even as a lady. I'm really fucked. What am I going to do?
Wait. Now I know why Wakego wanted us to learn how to cook. Seriously.
All this ranting about cooking. I don't have time for such rubbish. I'll just order food online.
Please, can you add mine also?
Please.
Then learn how to cook. You refuse to
You know how to. You can teach me so that I can.
Good morning, Your Highness. My prince must have overslept and forgotten that today is his birthday and his bride's choosing ceremony.
Look at how you are shining.
Thank you, Mama. Yes, that reminds me, Mama. There's this lady I met at the contest. She was our cook and our house help. And I promised to take her out when I was leaving. But I told her I would have to talk to you first before I bring her in.
You know, my daughter, many people, when they look at you, they assume that you are a bad egg to associate with. Because of the way they see you, the way you look. As in, you know, sometimes you used to be mean. But I don't have a problem with that, okay? You can bring her to come and stay with us.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank
Anything
you.
for my baby.
Thank you. I'll have to go there tomorrow to tell her about it.
She's welcome. Anything for her.
Thank you so much.
Your Majesty, you see, so much preamble music. This actually makes the dancers weak. But in this case, I want to assure you that we are not weak, because this is an event which we have fought so much anticipation. Yeah, an event where our own son, the heir apparent to the kingdom of the ancient kingdom of Umunze, is going to pick his bride. Therefore, become a full-fledged man.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yes.
And of course, it also falls on his birthday. So it's a double celebration for us.
Double celebration.
And I want to assure you, Your Majesty, that everything needed for this event has been put in place. Everything.
Beautiful.
Good. So we are just waiting for the kickoff.
Oh no, you are right. As a wise man that you are.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Leo is my only son. Heir apparent to the throne.
Yes.
I want his birthday celebration to be the best. I have also informed my friends from the neighboring kingdom.
Oh.
Yes, they will all be present.
Igwe, that's exactly what we are saying. And from my discussions with Lolo, I gather that the Minister for Women Affairs, Professor Gloria Okon, is going to be here to place occasion.
That's true.
So
That's true.
it's going to be a very grand one.
Exactly.
But one that will be talked about generations.
That's exactly how I want it to be. You see, I want the best birthday celebration and bride choosing ceremony. The best ever for my son. The best that has never been. And the best that will ever be.
Your Majesty. I assure you will not be disappointed in this. We are on it and we shall remain on it until it is over. That is the way it is.
That's the way it's going to be. That's
Good character is the ultimate in life. Where your good people will see and talk about it and talk about it. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality, she's gonna be my queen.
You've been trying to connect with this person, but it's not connecting. Why not leave this person and go to bed?
I'm worried. I am so worried. Her line has not been reachable. I mean, I've been trying for a very long time and it's still switched off.
Sister, who is this person that you're so desperate to reach on phone?
It's Eunice, the cook and the house help I told you guys about. Okay. She's a really nice woman and I want to take care of her. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do.
Sister, do you know what? We are going to bed. Maybe by tomorrow, you try again and maybe, yes, you reach her. So,
good character is the ultimate in life.
You see what step you take.
Where your good people will see and talk about it and talk about it.
Greetings, my beautiful ladies.
Greetings to you too.
A message from King Abalanze. He said, and I quote, that he appreciates your patience and commitment so far. He therefore requests that you maidens should hold on a little while, as they are yet to hear from the gods, to proceed with the celebration, where one of you will be crowned the next queen. Any question?
Yes. We are not left with any servant. Tell His Royal Majesty that we need at least a cook.
I will relay the message. Any more questions?
For how long is the gods going to give a date?
That I don't know.
But this wasn't what they promised us. I mean, what's going on?
Exactly. I'm tired.
But at least we should be happy. At least one of us is off already. The contest is now the 26th of course.
Yeah.
Right, ladies.
Okay, we can wait for a few days. I think.
Okay. All right, ladies. That will be all for today.
Where are you going?
I'm going back to see if I can find Eunice. I've been trying her number since yesterday and it's not reachable. I don't know. I'm just worried that I think something bad hasn't happened to her.
God forbid. Nothing will happen to her. It's either bad network or low battery.
Mama, no. In that house, there's 24 hours electricity. It's not possible that her line is switched off till now. No, Mama, please. I have to go and check up on her, please.
It's alright. It's alright. Go and check on her. If you find her, tell her I said she should resign and come and live with us. We will get something for her to do that will make her independent, okay?
Alright, Mama, thank you so much, okay? Please take care. I'll be right back. Thank you. Bye-bye.
What is this one doing here? After being evicted out of the royal contest.
What do you want?
I'm not here for any of you. I'm here for Eunice, actually. Can one of you go upstairs and tell her that I'm here to see her?
That's one. She no longer stays here. She has been kicked out. Understand? Kicked out.
King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi mawa amwanyabo soma. He desires for a good queen in our kingdom. Who will be the lucky queen? Choosing one, the lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The mama born you well, baby. Mana weri fane wepuna no to baby ano. Baby go see no wegi, show wetin you got. Go see busy wegi, time for kissy kwado. This is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, the lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. King desire for a bride to hold. King desires for a bride to hold. Mwawerezi mawa amwanyabo soma. He desires for a good queen in our kingdom. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. You look beauty everywhere, there is no doubt to my ear. Your mama born you well, baby. Mana weri fane wepuna no to baby ano. Baby go see no wegi, show wetin you got. Go see busy wegi, time for kissy kwado. This is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, who will be the chosen one? The lucky, who will be the lucky queen? The lucky queen. King desire for a bride to
What is it?
Mama. Mama, she no longer works there. She was sacked the same day I was evicted out of the contest. But I don't understand. We were told that we were going to the market. So, I don't know how... Honestly, I don't know. Where will I find her?
But why would the royal family do that to her? You said she was so committed to her work.
Mama, those ladies in the contest never liked her for one day. They never liked her. So I'm sure they ganged up and made sure she got sacked.
It's alright, my daughter. It's alright.
Where will I find her?
Listen, you must know that there is a reason for everything that happens under this earth. God knows why it's like that. Yes. It's okay.
How are you cooking? Good, it's okay. It's fine. That's okay, that's okay. I really want to find out from you if the prince has been able to select a bride from among these maidens. You know, there's towards his marriage and eventual coronation as the crown prince.
Yes, he has.
Yes.
Yeah.
He told you he has, or you?
Has, I'm aware.
You are aware, yes.
Yes.
Well, that would be great. Okay, that is good. That is good. In that case, I would want to remind you, Igwe, you have to warn him not to have any intimate relationship, with the very bride that he has chosen until after the sanctification by because you know how it will be a taboo. So that the bride he has chosen has to remain, in fact, even in isolation until she is sanctified by the custodian of fertility. Yeah. So please remind him. In fact, warn him. These young men.
I think what I'll just have to do is to remind him again and again and again.
Good.
Because the custom, our custom and our tradition demands for that.
Of course.
The mother lectured him.
Okay.
And I think I did too.
Beautiful.
So
because
taking care of that.
please, because I fear the repercussions
No,
if
he will not do
these
that
things.
mistake.
Thank you.
He's my son.
I trust your. yeah, I trust you.
Agozie, please, tell the Jew to get something to drink. And if you can get something to chew, then get that. Please.
Who will be the chosen one? The lucky. Who will be everywhere? There is no doubt in my mind. Your mama born you well, baby. Mana weri fane wepunanu tupeliano.
Greetings to this noble home.
Greetings to you, royal servants of our land.
This is the decree from His Royal Majesty, King Agbalanze. Chioma, you are expected to be dressed and be brought to the palace.
Why? What's happened? I don't understand.
Mates.
Okay, come inside.
no doubt, my dear. Your mama born you well, baby. Mana weri fane wepunanu tupe anu. Baby, go see no wegi. Show what you got. Go see busy wegi. Can't focus Ecuador. Oh, this is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe your way, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, the lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, the lucky. Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, the lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky, the lucky queen. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. If you behave well, you go win. If you bribe your way, you go win. If you hustle well, you go win. What's it to go? Who will be the chosen one? The lucky, the lucky. Who will be the lucky queen? The lucky.
So, Igwe, like I was saying, it does not make any sense to me that a man or woman elected by the people to serve them will steal all the money, pack them to overseas, and dump them in a bank in a foreign land. Yeah? What, does it make any sense?
Actually, but you know the government and the way they behave.
Huh?
Good day, my king.
Good day. You're welcome. Make yourself comfortable.
How are you?
Fine.
You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my king.
What's your name?
My name is Joma.
Who are your parents?
I am the daughter of Ukwoji. My mother's name is Chineli.
So, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No.
Mama, Ginny's my queen.
Baby, go see no wegi. Show what you got. Go see busy wegi. Can't focus Ecuador. Oh, this is competition in an open field. If you hustle well, you go win. If you try hard, you go win. If you hustle well, you
It's
go
alright.
win.
That is the way.
It's alright.
Yes, because a man does not pick his tent to the abuse of the Yeah, that is it.
So, Makiko, how long is this going to take?
I don't have any idea, my lady. Honestly. My lady, it is time. Be strong. See you at dawn.
The eagle is set to fly high. And my job is done here. I await the cry of a child.
Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it and talk about it and talk about it. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality, she's gonna be
And somehow you have found favor in the Majesty's sight, that she has chosen to keep you by her side. Please, do not disappoint her, because she's a good woman. Calm your mind, okay? Everything will go by.
I have found someone else. I have found love in you. Royal deception. No more royal deception. Royal deception. She's beauty, pure and kind, but the king's intentions are far from divine. He need an heir to secure his throne. And she's the perfect one to make his power grow, to make his power grow wider.
Good day, ladies. What is going on here? Boniface, are you the prince we all have been waiting for?
This is not possible. Wait. There's no way. You can't tell me that you are the prince that we have been waiting for. No. Lolo, why? Why did you do it? Why will you take the insult and the shame? Why?
It's amazing to see all of you. It's a good day, isn't it? I must confess, all of you are amazing. And you are beautiful as well. I remember you. Fruitful vine. Am I correct? I know you. The land is fertile. The land is green. Am I correct? The eagle must soar. Are you surprised I remember? The guardian of hope. You have a very warm smile.
Thank you,
The morning star. That's your code name, right? Beautiful.
Well, ladies, you all did great. But my son, Prince Leo, have a plan of his own.
So, I know we're all waiting for me to let the cat out of the bag. But I'm very disappointed. You see, Desperation has always been the road to destruction. Sometimes it amazes me how all of you here present decided to fall so cheaply to give away your bodies in exchange that I chose you to be the winner of the contest. Aren't you ashamed of yourselves? What happens to upholding the dignity and the respect that you carry as women? If I was a bad person, I probably would have taken advantage of all of you. And most importantly, it surprises me that that one person we all thought was not qualified is actually the chosen one.
Well, you ladies are amazing and mean, I must say. If you must know, I have to be there to support my son in person, to make the right choice, like every other good mother would. But you girls were so mean to me. You insulted me, fought me, called me all sorts of names. One of you called me barren, that I have eaten all my children. And one of you called me a witch. But one of you stands out. She never despised me like you all did. She fought for me. She defended me. So allow me to present to you the chosen one. She may be white in her appearance, but that does not defy her.
You may come in, please.
Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it and talk about it. And talk about it. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality, she's gonna be
I can see that big surprise on your face. We have come to the end of the road. I know what's on your mind. You're the chosen one. Come forward. Will you marry me? You see, you're different from every other person. I'm not trying to judge them, but when it comes to royalty, we have rules. We have a culture, we have a tradition, and we must abide to them. And guess what? You're the chosen one. You're totally different. You refused to give your body in exchange to become the winner, just like they did. And for that reason, the gods chose you. And most importantly, you made all kinds of adjustments for my mother.
Please, be my wife. Say yes.
Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it. Oh yeah, and talk about it. Oh.
I am so happy for the two of you.
Igwe.
Huh? And she beautiful?
She is.
And he handsome? It shall be well with the two of you. You will live long than all our ancestors. The gods of this land will protect you. It shall be well with all of us. I want to take this opportunity to announce at once that the coronation of the prince as the crown prince will take place in the next 3
She's
Eke
beauty, pure and kind, but the king's intentions are far from divine. He need an heir to secure his throne. And she's the perfect one to make his power grow, to make his power grow wider. Good character is the ultimate in life. When you're good, people will see it. Oh yeah, and talk about it. What does it take to be good when you know there is benefit in it? She's so nice, she's so pretty, she got the quality. She's gonna be my queen. She's gonna be my queen. She's gonna be the queen. Royal deception. Mama, deception. I have fun love. Royal deception. She's gonna be my queen. Royal deception. Cause she's different. Royal deception. Jackie go by. Royal deception. The will go by. Royal I have found someone. No more royal deception. I have found loving you. Royal deception. No more royal deception.